In problem 5, we're going to derive the aggregate demand model and long-run aggregate supply. So we need to go to my website first to get the aggregate demand simulation. After we click on the download link, the aggregate demand simulation opens up, and we have it open right below our web browser. So I'm going to go back to Cengage now, and I'm going to copy these numbers in one at a time. So consumer wealth is $9.534 trillion. Expected future income is $8.031 trillion. The real rate of interest is 2.472%. Tax revenue is $3.038 trillion. Investment expenditure is $2.591 trillion. Government expenditure is $3.415 trillion. Exports total $2.773 trillion. The NPC is 0.725. And the marginal propensity import is 0.219. The first we need is the intercept. Remember, the intercept is the value of the equation when real GDP is 0. So the intercept to 3 decimal places is 21.669. And the MPS is equal to 1 minus the MPC. The slope is equal to the MPS plus the MPM, so 0.494. To find long-run aggregate supply, we have to open up the Excel simulation that is called production function and long-run aggregate supply. After downloading the simulation, I open up Excel, and then I put Excel right below the internet web browser. To compute the value of potential output for the economy, I have to plug in to my simulation the values in this part of the problem. Capital is $0.0392 trillion. Resources total $2.472 trillion. The percent of knowledge known on Earth that is available in the universe, or technology, is 1.273%. And the labor force is 143.615 million workers. So potential output, according to the simulation, is $15.017 trillion. Okay, now we want to graph this equation, aggregate demand, which is downward sloping, and long-run aggregate supply, which is the value of potential output. This axis over here is PL for price level, and this axis here is Y, or real GDP. Then potential output is a vertical line in this space that begins at 15.017. Now the reason why it's not a upward sloping or downward sloping, it's a vertical line, is because if you look at the production function, you don't see price level anywhere. Now the price level is $1, potential output again is what? $15.017 trillion. If the price level is $2,500, potential output is $15.017 trillion. If the price level is $500,000, potential output is $15.017 trillion. Why is that? Again, because the price level does not enter the economy short-run or long-run production function. Long-run aggregate supply is the value of potential output, because Potential output is the value of what real GDP should be in the short run when the economy's resources are fully employed. I'm going to check my work and I should get everything correct. And it looks like I got everything correct.